Welcome along everybody to the Arena Belgrade here in Serbia as the UEFA Futsal Euro 2016 group stage continues. We're focusing on Ukraine against Spain. Both these sides have already qualified for the quarter-final. Today will simply determine who finishes top and who will go through as runners-up. First chance, and it's into the side netting. Ukraine have defended resiliently in the opening couple of minutes here. They restart. In comes the strike from long range. It's a really good save from Paco Sedano. He hasn't had a huge amount to do, but for both sides really in the opening 8 minutes or so, all strikes on goal have been from a long way out. Well, they haven't noticed him coming in at the far post, and they were let off a bit there with Spain. It was Valenko who went unnoticed. Just over 2 minutes remaining. Good football from Spain, and it's a lovely dummy. Oh, how hasn't he given Spain the lead? By far the best chance in the game so far. It's Mario Revillos with the effort, and he somehow put it wide. A minute remaining. Oh, it's lovely, and Spain have finally taken the lead. It's Alex with the goal, and all of Ukraine's hard work has been undone. To the second half we go. Ukraine know that they only need a draw to go through as group winners. It's a lovely turn from Gertsina. Can he get the strike away? Well, he was forced wide, and in the end it was a comfortable save for Paco Sedano. Well, Ukraine have gone to the flying goalkeeper, and it could come back to haunt them here. Surely it's 2-0. It's a wonderful finish. Well, he still had a lot of work to do, Mario Revillos. And surely now the game is out of sight. Oh, they've given it away again, and Spain have got a third. And Ukraine's decision to go to the flying goalkeeper has come back to haunt them. They've gifted Spain 2 goals. Just over 2.5 minutes left. If Ukraine get one back, it'll be interesting, and that's exactly what they've done. It's a lovely finish from Mikola Gertsina. And who knows, just over 2.5 minutes to go. Well, surely time is up. Spain may even get a fourth. Oh, and it's been bundled in. Mario Revillos has got his second of the game. Spain have got a fourth. And it will be Spain that go through as Group B winners. Ukraine as runners-up. It's finished here. Ukraine 1, Spain 4.